Ever wonder why every time you commit to a diet, it feels like you're trying to climb a mountain made of cheesecake? You're not alone. Despite our best intentions, the vast majority of diets fail, leaving us feeling like we're starring in our own version of Groundhog Day. The truth is, it's not all about willpower or one magical diet formula. Research has dug into the psychology, physiology, and habits behind why diets don't stick, and the answers are eye-opening. Here are 10 reasons why your diet might be failing, and yes, some of them might surprise you. Hey, and welcome to It's All About Your Wellness. 1. You're not enjoying the food you're eating. Let's be honest. No one wants to eat bland salads or endless portions of plain chicken breast. If your diet feels like punishment, it's not likely to last. Studies show that diets are most successful when people actually enjoy the food they're eating. When you're satisfied with what's on your plate, you're less likely to have those epic late-night snack binges. Try incorporating foods you genuinely enjoy in healthier portions or recipes, and you'll be more likely to stay consistent. 2. You're stuck in an all-or-nothing mentality. Ever think, well, I had one cookie, might as well finish the box. This is classic all-or-nothing thinking, which can sabotage even the best-laid diet plans. Many people think of their diet as good or bad, but real life doesn't work that way. Shifting your mindset to allow occasional treats without guilt can help keep you on track and make the diet less restrictive. Moderation isn't as exciting as all carbs are evil, but it works better in the long run. 3. You're not being realistic with goals. We've all been there, deciding to lose 20 pounds by next month, or dropping 3 dress sizes in 2 weeks. Setting goals that are way too high sets us up for disappointment and failure. Instead, research shows that realistic, gradual weight loss, around 1 to 2 pounds a week, is healthier and more sustainable. Small wins add up over time and keep you motivated. 4. You're relying on willpower alone. Willpower is like your phone battery. It starts strong in the morning, but by the end of the day, it's hanging on for dear life. Research indicates that willpower alone isn't a reliable resource for long-term diet success. Building routines and setting up environments that make healthy choices easier are far more effective than white-knuckling it through each craving. Make it easy for yourself. Pre-cut veggies, stock up on healthy snacks, and don't keep temptation in arm's reach. 5. You're not consistent. Maybe you stick to the diet religiously on weekdays, but take weekends off. Or you're on track for 3 weeks, then go MIA for a month. Consistency is the key to lasting results. Occasional treats are fine, but cycling on and off a diet sends mixed signals to your body and your brain. Successful dieting requires steady commitment over time, not just bursts of effort. 6. You're ignoring the power of habits. Diets often focus on short-term changes, but real weight loss is about habit transformation. When you turn healthy choices into habits, they become automatic and require less mental effort. Start with small, manageable changes, maybe replacing soda with water or taking a short walk after meals. Over time, these habits compound, making it easier to stick with the diet without feeling like it's a constant struggle. 7. You're not getting enough support. The journey can be a lot easier with a friend or family member cheering you on, or better yet, joining you. Studies show that support systems significantly improve diet success rates. Having someone to lean on or share victories with makes a difference, whether it's a workout buddy or an online community. Plus, it's way easier to say no to that donut when your friend is watching. 8. You're ignoring hunger cues. Diet culture often tells us to ignore hunger. If you're hungry, just drink water. However, ignoring natural hunger cues can backfire, leading to overeating later on. Research supports eating when you're actually hungry and stopping when you're full, also known as mindful eating. It's not only more enjoyable but also more sustainable. Listen to your body. It's usually right. 9. You're caught in the diet cycle. Constantly hopping from one diet to another can wreak havoc on both your mind and body. Known as yo-yo dieting, this cycle makes it harder for your body to settle into a stable, healthy weight. Instead of going on and off diets, try focusing on long-term lifestyle changes that support balanced eating habits and overall health. Diets are temporary, but lifestyle changes can last. 10. You're forgetting about mental health. Stress and emotional eating are major reasons diets fail. If you're using food to cope with stress, loneliness, or boredom, you're not alone. Addressing mental health and emotional eating can be just as important as calorie counts and meal plans. Therapy, journaling, or even taking a few minutes to relax can reduce emotional eating and help you stay on track. Remember, a healthy mind supports a healthy body. In summary, diets often fail because they don't fit with our real lives. To make lasting changes, it's essential to ditch the all-or-nothing thinking, get a realistic plan in place, and listen to your body. So next time you find yourself saying, "This time it's for real," remember that sustainable success doesn't come from quick fixes. Aim for balance, be kind to yourself, and let go of the diet drama. It might just be the trick to finally seeing results that stick. Thank you for watching, and please share your experiences with diets in the comments. Feel free to subscribe for a healthy and fulfilling life.